Get ready, sneaker fans. The Nike Kobe 9 Low-EN Purple Dynasty is making its return in spring 2026. This version of Kobe Bryant's ninth signature shoe was designed for performance, offering a lightweight and flexible alternative to the original engineered mesh Elite. The upcoming release features a deep Purple Dynasty colorway with subtle black accents across the upper and midsole, giving it a sleek, court-ready look. The engineered mesh upper delivers targeted ventilation and durability where it's needed most, while tonal variations add depth without taking away from its performance-focused design. Signature details include a metallic purple swoosh, Kobe's molded heel branding, and the Sheath logo on the tongue. Inside, the purple lining and lace loops complete the monochromatic theme. The Lunarlon midsole provides responsive cushioning, while the low-profile outsole features wave-like traction patterns for quick cuts and stops. Expect this release at Nike and select retailers, with pricing yet to be announced.